Okay, whether you're a father or it's your father's father, or you know of somebody that you identify as a father to you and they love Tesla, then you're going to want to pay attention to today's video. We are going to cover the Father's Day gift guide because it's right around the corner for your Tesla loving pops. Now, all links to everything talked about in today's video will be down below. Keep in mind, some of these links might be affiliate links, which throws me a kickback. It might give you a discount, but appreciate it if you'd like to use that to help support the channel. Let's get into it. Father's Day gift guide for your Tesla loving pops. Let's go. Okay, let's start with something fairly basic. If I know Pops likes to keep their Tesla clean and smelling fresh. So let's start with smelling fresh. I highly recommend these air fresheners by Scent Wedge. What I love about these air fresheners are that they are seamless. They fit right into your vent. They go right in like this. You don't even see them. Check this out. You just take this right here, you plop it into the vent, push it in, it's secured, you turn on the air, it flows through. What I love about these things are, number one, they're sustainable, and number two, they are made with essential oils, so they don't smell like that fake fragrances. Like, this actually smells good, like nature. They've got multiple different scents, and they've got packages, so you can do like a subscription if you wanted to get Pops a subscription for the next couple months or whatever that may be. But it's very budget friendly. So really good deal there. And you can get like a 4-pack if you wanted to try multiple scents. Really cool, really great entry level Father's Day gift. If I know Pops, you got sunglasses and you want to keep those sunglasses safe and secure, not into the bottomless pit of your center consoles or your armrests. The guys from Scent Wedge make a new product. It's called Store Wedge. You can't see it, but it's here. It's actually hidden right behind your screen. I wedge my finger right up here and I pull down and reveals a hidden storage compartment for your sunglasses. Now, what I really love about this is the attention to details here. Like, it's got a nice magnet closure. It's soft opens. It's beautifully felt lined so that your sunglasses are safe in there. I mean, I just love everything about it, and just this nice soft touch. And what I love about it is that it's completely hidden. Now, whether you take your standard glasses or I have an even bigger pair, they all fit in there, and it's hidden and it's out of the way, and you never forget about it because it's always there ready to go. Pops will really appreciate that. Okay, that covers that. Now, remember, we talked about smelling good inside the vehicle. The vehicle's scent is on point. What about keeping the car clean? That brings me to my next Father's Day gift. Okay, now your car just can't be smelling good. It's got to look good. Now, to look good, I highly recommend this product from Tez Bros. They make a car washing cleaning kit. It comes with an interior cleaner, which I always leave inside my car, a car wash shampoo for when you're washing the outside, a waterless car wash that you can keep inside your car when you're driving and you're traveling. You want to clean off the bug splatter off the front. And lastly, a glass cleaner, which I use a lot of. Almost need a refill. Highly recommend this kit to give Pops the tools to keep the car clean, because I know Pops, he wants a clean Tesla. Now, with that, of course, I highly recommend, some mitts and some microfiber towels to help keep the car clean. But that'll take care of cleaning the car. One more piece as far as cleaning, if you wanted to throw this in or you wanted to get it on its own, I have this portable vacuum. Now, this vacuum I actually charge at home because the base has to plug in, but I bring it out to the car. It's got a nice little nozzle on here that I can get into the crevices and vacuum stuff up. I've been very pleased with this. This is by Shark. I'll put a link to that down below as well. But that'll take care of keeping the car clean, having the car smell good. Now let's move on to the next level of accessories that Pops is going to enjoy. Okay, remember we talked about this company Tez Bros for the car washing kits. Well, what's funny about them is that that's not even their specialty. Their specialty is in vinyl. And so the next offering for your Pops is getting him some sort of vinyl accessories to customize his vehicle. Now, they make things as simple as what I've got in my charging port, which is this nice plaid accent. It's hidden. It shows up only when I'm charging. I think that's really cool. They make things as small as that to all the way to, if you really wanted to inspire your DIY Pops to wrapping his entire car, you could do that because Tesbros makes a DIY kit for your entire car. So highly recommended, check Tesbros out. They've got vinyl for here, they've got vinyl for your car, your door handles, your accents, your interior, and so forth. So Tesbros has some really cool stuff for accenting and customizing your Tesla. Okay, jumping back into the interior, a couple things I wanted to share with you in here. Number one is going to maybe seem silly, and I thought so when I first came across this product, but I've been using these neck pillows for the last 7 years, and I tell you, they are absolutely amazing. I cannot drive without this in my vehicle anymore. I actually have one in my wife's car because I refuse to drive without one of these neck pillows. Let me explain to you why. You see, when I put my head on the headrest, you see, my head, this is very uncomfortable. Well, this neck pillow actually solves that by filling in that gap and giving me something to relax on. Now, if your father or your Pops loves to road trip, loves to use autopilot, this is the perfect companion to autopilot. If you thought autopilot was good, combine that with a nice, comfy, luxurious neck pillow, you're gonna love it. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. I didn't think so when I first got one of these, and now I can't live without it. So, highly recommended a neck pillow. Now, the next accessory is, Tesla's done a great job as far as charging your phone and giving you wireless chargers in the car. But wireless charging is not the most ideal. It's slow. And also, what if you have something that doesn't charge wirelessly? Well, there is USB-C ports down into the center console, but it's inconvenient. It's down here. And so comes in this next accessory company called Jowa. Now, Jowa makes these really cool like chargers and organizers for your vehicle. And what I love about this company versus many other companies that are out there that makes accessories is that their products look OEM. They look very, very good. They don't look cheap and they don't look janky. This one, for example, is one that I've been using. There is a USB-C port in the center console. This connects to it and brings 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port right up on top, making it super easy to plug into, access, and use than fishing around down into the center console. And what you'll notice is that it looks OEM. It matches the exact same color and interior and fits perfectly into the center console. I really, really love that. And a lot of their accessories are just like that. So check them out if you're looking for, if you know your Pops gets irritated with the way things are, wants to bring convenience into his life, definitely check them out. Now, the next thing. Pops loves his Tesla. So what better way to show how much you love your vehicle than to have a miniature version? Here's my Tesla Model 3 in a miniature version. I have this tiny little version. Now, if this is too small for you, remember, size doesn't matter, but if you wanted to get bigger, Tesla does offer on their website larger die-cast scale models of their vehicles. So what's really cool is you could help Pops, be proud of his vehicle, or you could help Pops get him a vehicle that he's always wanted. A dream vehicle, i.e. maybe a semi-truck or a Cybertruck. And again, if size is the issue, there's no worry there because you could even go 1/10 scale Cybertruck, and I'm pretty sure Pops would love this. This is really cool. Remote control Cybertruck. It's a lot cheaper than the Cybertruck actual price, and just as much fun. So Pops would love a really cool gift like that. I think that's a really cool gift option for Father's Day. Okay, another really cool accessory that I use a lot that is kind of like a hidden gem is a company by the name of Magback. Now, Magback, I want to highlight 2 of their accessories. They make accessories for your phone. They make cases. Now the cases have, combined with the MagSafe technology that Apple's created with, they make a stronger magnet, and then they make this magnet mount here. As you can see, it fits flush onto the screen and allows me to put my phone in perfect eye level. So if I needed to have a FaceTime call when I'm parked, I can mount it right here and easily have a FaceTime call without having to hold my phone. Really convenient, really nice. If I wanted to have Waze running alongside of my current mapping system, I could, and it's right at eye level, not too distracting off of the road. I love what MagBack has done here, and it holds really well. So all those high-speed acceleration 0 to 60s that you do, it's not falling off with MagBack. So they make that, which is cool. And then they also make, if your Pops is one that wants to be careful with his OEM wheels that he got with his Tesla, you could look at their rim case, which is a rim protector that goes around your wheel, protects it in case you curb your wheels. You won't ruin your wheel, you'll ruin the rim case, which can be taken off in parts and replaced. Super cheap, super easy, very effective, really good gift accessory. Now, let's move on to modifications and changes to your vehicle. Okay, so let's say Pops wants a little bit more features in his car. Maybe accessibility is something that's very important. Don't like to poke around a lot on the screen to find things. You want to check out this next company, Sexy Buttons. They actually make a product. It connects to your OBD port. Now, don't get scared if Pops has a little bit of technology in him. This is a very easy thing to do. Just a cover in the back center console. It pops off. You plug in their device to close up the cover. The rest is all done from your phone and these little programmable Bluetooth buttons. You can see I have no visible buttons in my car, but they're there. I have one behind my steering wheel. I have two behind my center console or my center screen here. As you can see, they also don't come in the way of my storage glasses holder. But what these products help you to do is control things easier and quicker. For example, the one behind my steering wheel, actually, when I press it, turns on the dome lights. And the reason for that is because sometimes my kids at night, they drop something or they can't see it, and I need to quickly be able to turn on the lights. I could use voice command, but if one of the kids is sleeping, that becomes disruptive. And then to do it through the screen, it takes 1, 2, 3 clicks to find it, and that's while I'm driving. Here, 1 click, lights go on, 1 click, all the dome lights go off. Really, really handy. And you can program this to whatever you want. They've got so many things that you could do with these buttons. I programmed another one right back here that shuts off the rear vents. Sometimes I've got the AC blasting. It's too cold for the kids. They go, we're cold. Click, 1 click, done. Rear vents are off. Really handy. And then I've got another one right over here. If I need quick access to my glove box, I press this button and my glove box opens. So really, really handy buttons, and there's so much more that they can do. That's barely scratching the surface. So I'm actually going to put 2 more right back under here so they're hidden for other cool features. I really like Sexy Buttons. I love what they've done. So if your Pops wants quick, easy ways to do things, if he finds this screen to be a little bit cumbersome, definitely check out Sexy Buttons. Helps to automate and quickly access, tools and features that you use a lot. Now, if Pops is not scared to get his hands dirty and start messing around with third-party accessories, the one thing to keep in mind is that it could void your warranty, but it's going to unlock a whole lot of more features, customizations, and things that you always wished and dreamed that your Tesla may do. For example, the only Tesla vehicle today that can open its frunk automatically is the Cybertruck. And it's a fairly expensive vehicle and not for everyone, but with a third-party modification, you can do that. So my Tesla Model 3 has been able to do this for many years now, and that's due to a third-party modification for an automatic frunk by a company by the name of EV Offer. I'll put a link down to them down below, but they do that, and they do a whole lot more as far as like interior lighting, steering wheel changes, you name it, and they've got it. These involve some work, some installation, some wiring to have to be done. So whether you have someone in your area that can do it, or Pops is willing to take that on, there's a whole lot that you can do with third-party modifications. The only thing to keep in mind is that if Tesla sees it, they may refuse service on your vehicle. But if you're out of warranty, then shoot, have fun. Mine's been working great for a while. So highly recommended to check out third-party modifications if you're willing to spend a good amount of money. I'll put a link to a discount code down below, but really, really cool things that you can do with that. Now, while we're at the front of the vehicle, another recommended accessory, if your Pops lives in a state where the law is to have a license plate in the front, highly recommended this product here. This is called the Quick Bandit, and they've been making license plate holders for years for every vehicle that Tesla makes and more. And what I love is when I don't want it, I take it right off. Now, don't worry, no one's gonna steal it. There is a locking mechanism on there if you wanted to enable it, but it just makes it super easy to put on and off, doesn't touch the car, doesn't mess up the airflow. Really, really cool accessory if you wanna just help dad, obey the law. That's another good Father's Day gift. Okay, last accessory is around safety. Now, this is a portable, rechargeable air compressor unit. Really found this handy for, inflating up your tires. You can actually set the PSI and hit go, and it'll automatically stop when it gets there. But you can use this for bike tires. You can use this for inflatable balls and beach balls and stuff like that. So highly recommended to have one of these in your car. This is a really good Father's Day gift as well. But hopefully that gives you a really good selection of Father's Day gifts that you can get for your Pops who loves his Tesla. And let me know if I missed out on anything. Did I miss something that you recommend? Leave them down in the comments down below. And if you liked this video, and you're gonna get your father something cool from this video, make sure you use those links down below to help to support the channel. Don't forget to hit this video with a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Appreciate all of you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya. Happy Father's Day.